The capacity and speed to build at scale is where Silva performs best and gives a cost-efficient solution. We see some of the largest mass timber buildings, skyscrapers, landscrapers around the world, which have been built as a unique, beautiful buildings, complex buildings, which have utilized Silva kit of parts. Building at this scale has traditionally required a lot of concrete and steel. Now we have a solution, Silva kit of parts, based on mass timber, which provides a viable, low-carbon, sustainable solution and also has the load-bearing capacity required for buildings of this scale. Buildings are made with mass timber also require less foundations, so we can save even concrete from the foundations due to the lightweight character of wood. Even developers who haven't necessarily built at this scale with mass timber are getting it right first time. Return on capital really matters. Developers are investing large sum of capital to new developments. With shorter construction time that can be reduced by using wood, they can start to actualize their investments in a shorter time. And the equity in these buildings can last for 100 years or more. We see efficiencies, particularly in large-scale projects, where we are talking about thousands of elements. So when everything arriving on time and aligned, you are looking at savings on every single element. And those savings adds up to days and months of saved time and all associated costs on site. And then there are these side benefits adding up. For example, you can densify and build higher, even in poor soil conditions and even on top of existing infrastructure like roads, because of the lighter foundations needed for the wooden buildings. You can build in a much more precise way than with other building materials. We can turn any design into millimeter precise elements and deliver them to site on time and in full. We provide engineering and building physics assistance for the teams to design the best possible outcomes. Especially for large-scale developments with mixed uses, it can be hard to find variety in design with standardized options economically. But what we see is a streamlined procurement, manufacturing, and logistic processes that actually make these designs come to life, no matter what building type you're talking about. Rather than having to go to multiple suppliers to buy GLT, LVL, or CLT, you can procure everything you need in a kit ready to go. The level of services and prefabrication with Silva means we can arrange elements to arrive just in time, fully coated or encapsulated, with lifting devices included. Now, all of this is based on having a supplier that can actually deliver. This leads us to the last point on reliability. It is also something that keeps our customers coming back to us. Stora Enso is one of the largest forest owners in the world, the largest CLT manufacturer in the world with fully automated coating line. We have supply chain that can control the raw materials all the way from the forest to our production and to construction site and deliver multiple projects simultaneously. Silva has production and global supply chains that are unparalleled at this level of quality and sustainability.